My girlies who can't braid but also love a good natural hair texture, oh, this video is for you, so I'm gonna need you to stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, but I really want to get right into these details because CurlsQueen, they came to deliver with this hair, with these clip-ins to be exact, that I'm wearing. This is their water Kinky Coily clip-ins in 20 inches. And yes, it's 20 inches. And remember how those intro clips look. She stretches and she gets such a beautiful natural volume. These are the only products that I'll be needing to do the front part of my hair, and we're going to get right into it. Now, notice I said if you can't braid, this would be the video for you. Well, I'm going to be attempting the viral twists in the front. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. I used to get them all the time when I was younger. Just know it's really easy to achieve. I really wanted this to last and to have that sleek look, so I went in with some edge control, and then I'm going to start twisting or wrapping or rotating my hair, whichever word makes more sense to you. But I will be showing y'all more than one clip of me doing this, so just watch what I'm doing. I'm going to continue this motion all the way up. Even when I'm done with the scalp part, I continue that twist, so then once I get ready to add my rubber band, it doesn't just unravel. If you immediately stop after you run out of scalp space, it's gonna unravel. So just make sure you twist it a little bit further and you're gonna be good to go. For styling purposes in the front, y'all, you can be as creative as you want. I decided to do the kind of diagonal parts to one side and each side, and that's just what I came up with. To get crispy parts and to get your twist looking real sleek, you need to go in with some braid gel or some edge control that you know your hair likes. Like, this is one of them styles that if you use something that would sleek it up, it's gonna last for a while, y'all. I kept this style in for almost 2 weeks, and I was very pleased with how it still looked. Like, it did get a little frizzy in the front, but the curls were still popping and intact. So we are gonna be installing those clip-ins soon, but this is just me finishing up the rest of my hair in the front. And when I applied the braid gel directly to the root and just smoothed it through, it really does just help finish off that twist, and the final look just looks so sleek and defined. For this part of the video, it does get repetitive, so I'll come back when it's time to add the clip-ins. To twist down my whole front, y'all, took less than 10 minutes, and let's just say I definitely will be doing this more often. Because we're installing clip-ins, I did just go ahead and braid down the back of my hair, and I bobby pinned that little loose piece up, and then we're just going to start to measure the clip-ins to see which ones we want to start with. I thought I was going to go in with a 4-clip, but I did start off with a 3-clip, and then after my 3-clip, I'm going to go in with that 4-clip. Y'all, one thing about clip-ins, you can literally unclip them until you get the layout or the way that you want to lay them down for yourself. Every head shape is different. So just because I started with 3 clips doesn't mean you can't start with 4 clips and so on and so forth. And I only used, I think, 6 of the clips. Y'all, I still have 4 clips left over. So CurlsQueen, The volume is definitely there, and I really love that it didn't take much to get a full look. That was me laying my last clip in across the front. I did leave one of my longer wefts to go across that front to just kind of hide like the line where the clip in starts. I saw a girlie actually use her hair for bantu knots and in the back was curly. I think that's really cute, but today for this style, we are going to go ahead and define my hair with the clip-ins to see if we're able to get a blend, which, disclaimer, obviously with the front clips, we were able to blend this hair perfectly. I do feel like this water kinky coily texture is one that can be very versatile with different textures. My hair is actually looser in the front and it does have some kinkiness, but it defined and blended very well with this hair. If you are a type 4 girly, this would be the perfect blend for you. And if you're somebody that has similar hair texture to me, you see I was able to finesse it, and I'm really happy with the results with only having to use foam mousse, y'all. So foam mousse worked very well on this hair texture. And it was super easy to just get it defined. Like, look at how it looks with only a powder brush. Now I'm going to rake my fingers through it and get some of those coils at the end. Y'all, if you have a diamond brush, you can use that. But if you don't, look how my fingers are helping to activate those curls. I do believe that this is very low maintenance, even though it has a high density. I personally think it's very low maintenance because it was so easy to get it like this. The quality in CurlsQueen's hair extensions and wigs, and oh my god, y'all, it's always there, and I'm just so excited because this looks so good. This whole install was less than 30 minutes, and I love that for me because who doesn't want a cute, quick, and simple install? I know I'm not the only one. Shout out to CurlsQueen, y'all. This is the hair that I had left over. I told y'all, we got a full look without having to use the whole pack. All the information on this hair will be down below, so if you're interested, please go ahead and check them out. And just know that you're definitely going to be getting quality, volume, and such a pretty natural looking install when you're using these clip-ins. Like, even looking at it right now, you can't tell me that this is not my hair. Like, we know it's not, but look at the back, look at the bounce, look at the curls, y'all. Looking at the side profile of these clip-ins, y'all, I can't believe I only had to use 6 to get this volume. 6 clips out of the pack. It comes with 10. I'm very impressed at how natural their textures look. This really does resemble natural hair, and yes, you can put it up in a ponytail, you can put it in a bun. Like, just look at this. It looks so natural. I almost forgot that this is not my hair. I am at the point in the video where it's time for me to go. If you haven't already, please feel free to subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. I would love to have you a part of my journey and to be tuned in to my next videos. Bye, y'all.